Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into Owl Carousel, a versatile and widely used jQuery plugin for creating beautiful, responsive carousel sliders. This tutorial will cover everything from basic setup to more advanced customization, along with code examples to get you up and running. Table of Contents. 1. What is Owl Carousel? 2. Why use Owl Carousel? 3. Prerequisites. 4. Basic setup and usage. *A. Downloading Owl Carousel. *B. Including files in your HTML. *C. Basic HTML structure. *D. Basic JavaScript initialization. 5. Configuration options, a comprehensive guide. *A. Navigation and pagination. *B. Responsive design. *C. Autoplay and loop. *D. Margin and stage padding. *E. Lazy loading. *F. Center mode. *G. Mouse drag and touch drag. *H. Pull drag and free drag. *I. Rewind. *J. RTL, right to left, support. *K. Merge fit. *L. Auto width. *M start and stop. *N. Callback functions, events. 6. Advanced customization. *A. Custom navigation. *B. Custom pagination. *C. Using different items.